Personal Fitness and Exercise Crash Course, Introduction to Fitness and Benefits. Introduction. Welcome to the crash course on personal fitness and exercise. In this introductory section, we will explore the importance of fitness and the numerous benefits it brings to our lives. Fitness is not just about looking good, it encompasses a holistic approach to well-being, including physical, mental, and emotional health. By understanding the significance of fitness and exercise, we can embark on a journey towards a healthier and happier lifestyle. Stories and examples. 1. The transformation story. Imagine a person who was once sedentary, struggling with weight issues and low energy levels. They decide to make a change and incorporate regular exercise into their routine. Over time, they notice significant improvements in their physical appearance, energy levels, and overall confidence. This transformation story showcases the power of personal fitness to positively impact various aspects of life. 2. The stress relief journey. Picture an individual dealing with high levels of stress and anxiety. They begin engaging in regular exercise, such as running or yoga, and gradually experience a reduction in stress levels. They find solace in physical activity, which helps them clear their mind and find balance amidst the chaos of daily life. This example highlights the mental and emotional benefits of incorporating fitness into our lives. Top 12 healthy benefits of personal fitness and exercise. 1. Improved cardiovascular health. Regular exercise strengthens the heart and improves blood circulation, reducing the risk of heart diseases. 2. Weight management. Engaging in physical activity helps burn calories and maintain a healthy weight, reducing the risk of obesity-related diseases. 3. Increased strength and muscle tone. Strength training exercises promote muscle growth, leading to increased strength and a toned physique. 4. Enhanced flexibility. Regular stretching exercises improve joint flexibility and range of motion, preventing injuries and promoting better posture. 5. Boosted energy levels. Physical activity releases endorphins, improving energy levels and combating fatigue. 6. Better mental health. Exercise helps reduce symptoms of depression, anxiety, and stress by promoting the release of feel-good neurotransmitters in the brain. 7. Improved sleep quality. Regular exercise regulates sleep patterns, leading to better sleep quality and overall restfulness. 8. Increased bone density. Weight-bearing exercises like walking or weightlifting help strengthen bones, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. 9. Enhanced cognitive function. Physical activity improves brain function, memory, and focus, reducing the risk of cognitive decline. 10. Reduced risk of chronic diseases. Regular exercise lowers the risk of developing conditions such as diabetes, certain cancers, and metabolic syndrome. 11. Stronger immune system. Exercise strengthens the immune system, reducing the risk of illness and promoting overall well-being. 12. Increased longevity. Leading an active lifestyle and engaging in regular exercise can contribute to a longer, healthier life. Summary. In this introduction to personal fitness and exercise, we explored the significance of fitness in our lives. We discussed 2 inspiring stories that exemplify the transformative power of fitness on physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Additionally, we explored the top 12 benefits of personal fitness, ranging from improved cardiovascular health and weight management to enhanced mental health and increased longevity. By incorporating fitness into our daily routines, we can unlock a multitude of benefits and create a healthier and more fulfilling life. Poem. In the realm of fitness, we find our way. A journey to health, each and every day. With exercise and dedication, we strive to lead a life that's active and alive. Improved heart health, a beating strong. Reducing risks, preventing all that's wrong. Weight management, a balance to maintain. An active lifestyle, a body to sustain. Strength and muscle, we build with might. Toning our bodies, a pleasing sight. Flexibility, a range of motion to gain. Stretch. Ing and bending, like a dancer on a plane. Energy unleashed, like a vibrant sun. Exercise uplifts, bringing joy and fun. Mental health, a sanctuary we find. Stress and anxiety left behind. Sleep, a peaceful journey we embark. With exercise, sweet dreams we hark. Bones, sturdy and strong, we build. A foundation of strength, never to yield. Cognition sharp, thoughts crystal clear. Exercise boosts our minds, it's clear. Diseases thwarted, a shield we wear. With fitness, a healthy life we bear. Immunity fortified, a defense so grand. Exercise protects, like a guardian's hand. Longevity beckons, a life extended. Through fitness and wellness, we're mended. Song. Verse 1. In the realm of fitness, we find our way. A journey to health, every single day. Cardio and strength, we push our limits high. Becoming stronger, reaching for the sky. Chorus. Personal fitness, a path we tread. Exercises and techniques, the road ahead. With determination, we'll reach our best. Building strength and endurance, we won't rest. Verse 2. Weight management, a balanced stance. Burning calories, taking a chance. Flexibility and range, we will enhance. Stretching our bodies, giving them a chance. Chorus. Personal fitness, a path we tread. Exercises and techniques, the road ahead. With determination, we'll reach our best. Building strength and endurance, we won't rest. Bridge. Energy surges, like a burning flame. Exercise invigorates, it's not a game. Mental well-being, a refuge from stress. Exercise brings peace, we must confess. Verse 3. Sleep quality improved, restful nights. Exercise regulates, turning out the lights. Strong bones and immunity, a fortress strong. Personal fitness, it's where we belong. Chorus. Personal fitness, a path we tread. Exercises and techniques, the road ahead. With determination, we'll reach our best. Building strength and endurance, we won't rest. Outro. So, let's embrace this journey, with hearts aflame. Personal fitness, our bodies we reclaim. With our Anhub Metaverse channel, we'll guide you through. Start planning your adventure, let's make dreams come true. Ending note. ******, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $aid = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.